Every industry in the world has some top players known for selling the best quality products and services, and Industrial Fabricators is one of them when it comes to manufacturing the finest equipment for drying, heating and curing purposes. Since 1986, we have provided a wide range of tried and tested products varying from tray dryers, fluid bed dryers, vacuum dryers and industrial ovens to heating systems like hot water and oil baths, hot air generators and many more for almost all major industries like pharmaceutical, engineering, chemicals, plastics, glass, F&B, etc. All our products are equipped with the latest technology and made with the aim of minimizing human interference to maximize efficiency. One of our leading products is the industrial tray dryer. Used in the critical process of drying in manufacturing units, these tray dryers are the most conventional dryers with the ability to dry most of the product using a precise and controlled circulation of hot air. Built with a sturdy design optimized for ease of operation and maintenance, our tray dryers have a very dynamic cross airflow action and strategically placed heating arrangements to allow an even and controlled drying of the product at the fastest rate possible. In most cases, it generates results as high as a whopping 20 to 30% than other conventional systems. Our dryers are completely different than the systems available in market with some of its distinctive features like no use of bearings, pulleys, belts, gears, etc., which not just makes it durable and guarantee a maintenance-free operation for years to come, but also simplifies the cleaning process. Be it for drying for the food industry, drying herbs for Ayurvedic and nutraceutical medicines, drying colors, dyes, chemicals and drugs, for defense organizations to dry highly explosive materials with utmost safety and many more products. Industrial Fabricators have manufactured and installed over 1,000 units for a large variety of clients. Around 60 to 70% of our sales are generated out of repeat orders, which banks upon our performance and customer relationship. Our dryer units are highly versatile, ranging from small 4 to 6 trays systems to customized 600 trays and above. From semi-automatic to PLC and HMI-based fully automatic systems, including both standard as well as GMP construction. From operating on heating medias like electric, steam, thermic fluid, hot water to using direct and indirect hot air generators with wood, coal, LDO, etc. as fuels. The new age PLC-based systems are designed with custom software having unparalleled human-machine interface, giving them a modern feel and completely eradicating the requirement of a skilled operator. You just have to feed the data once, store it and use it whenever you want. So, if you are looking for a reliable partner for your industrial heating or drying needs, look no further than Industrial Fabricators. For more information on how to order and technical details, visit www.dryersindia.com or contact us at +91260 242 1347 or +91260 243 4969.